Welcome back to Trust Me Bro, Unlocking the Future. We're diving into AI agents today.
Right.
You know, they're everywhere these days, right?
Right.
Promising to make our lives easier, but also kind of making us wonder if they'll end up taking over the world.
Yeah, like, are we looking at a future where AI handles our finances, picks our entertainment, maybe even starts making life choices for us?
I mean, it's a bit unnerving, but also super fascinating, right? So before we get into all that, let's start with the basics. What exactly are AI agents? I mean, are we just talking about glorified voice assistants here?
Well, they're definitely more than just a Siri or Alexa. Think of them as advanced personal assistants, but on steroids almost.
Okay, so steroids. Go on, I'm listening.
They can actually perceive their environment, make plans, remember things, learn from experiences, and then take action based on all of that. It's pretty mind-blowing.
So like a self-driving car, for example, that's kind of making decisions on its own based on what it's sensing, right?
Right. Exactly. Self-driving cars are a great example, but think even broader, like IBM Watson in healthcare, helping doctors diagnose diseases, or Salesforce Einstein in business, crunching data to give companies insights to their customers.
Right, I've heard of those.
Yeah.
So it's not just about doing what we tell them to do, they're actually learning and adapting as they go.
Precisely. And the more data they're fed, the smarter they become. Remember Netflix's recommendation algorithm?
Oh yeah, constantly judging my taste in movies.
Right. Well, that's a basic form of an AI agent at work. It analyzes your viewing history to suggest things you might like. Now imagine that same principle applied to finance, healthcare, even creating memes.
Wait, AI creating memes?
Ooh, yeah, it's a thing.
Okay, we got to get into that. But first, let's talk about how this is already impacting different industries.
Yeah.
I mean, where are we seeing the biggest changes right now?
Well, finance is a big one. Tools like Kensho are analyzing market data to help investors make smarter decisions. Then there's Amazon, using AI to manage their inventory and shipping logistics incredibly efficiently.
Right, and it's not just about efficiency, right? It's about making better decisions, period. Like you said, Kensho actually helped some investors outperform the market during the last recession. That's huge.
Absolutely. And then there's healthcare, with AI assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, even suggesting treatment options. IBM's Watson is doing some groundbreaking work in oncology, analyzing tons of medical data to help doctors make more informed decisions.
It's crazy to think that AI could potentially spot things that human doctors might miss just because it can process so much information.
It really highlights the power of AI, doesn't it?
It does. Okay, I promise we get to this. So let's talk AI and crypto. A lot of our listeners are deep into this world, so break it down for us. What's going on there?
Oh, so much. Trading bots, for example. They're using AI to analyze market trends and execute trades much faster than any human could.
Yeah, I've heard about those. Are they actually effective, though?
Well, platforms like Crypto Hopper are becoming super popular, and they're claiming some pretty impressive returns. It's still early days, but the potential is definitely there. Then there's fraud detection. AI is being used to identify suspicious transactions and prevent scams.
Okay, that makes sense. So security and efficiency. What else?
Predictive analytics. AI can be used to forecast market movements, which can help investors make more informed decisions. And then there's the whole world of smart contracts, which are basically self-executing contracts powered by blockchain technology. AI can be used to make these contracts even more sophisticated and autonomous.
So AI is basically automating the entire crypto ecosystem, it sounds like.
In a way, yes. And then there's the meme coin thing we talked about.
Right. Tell me more about that. How is AI involved in creating meme coins?
Well, there are platforms like Farcaster and Lens Protocol that are enabling the creation of autonomous agents. These agents can handle everything from launching a new meme coin to managing its community, even creating the memes themselves.
Wow, that's wild. So like Clanker AI agent.
Exactly. Clanker and others like Bonsai's on-chain agent, Bonsai, are leading the charge in this new frontier. It's like AI is becoming a meme lord.
That's both hilarious and terrifying. But it raises a bigger question, right? I mean, if AI can do all this stuff on its own, where does that leave us humans?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's crucial that we figure out how to govern AI to make sure it's aligned with our values and goals. We need to strike a balance between giving AI the autonomy to do what it does best while still maintaining human oversight, especially in sensitive areas like finance and healthcare.
Right, because the stakes are pretty high. We don't want AI making decisions that could impact people's lives without some kind of human check and balance.
Exactly. And then there's the whole issue of job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, some jobs will inevitably be automated. We need to start thinking about how we can adapt to this new reality, how we can upskill and reskill ourselves to thrive in a world where AI is a major player.
It's definitely a challenge, but it's also an opportunity. Maybe this forces us to be more creative, to focus on the things that AI can't do, like emotional intelligence and human connection.
Absolutely. And we need to be mindful of data privacy. AI agents rely on huge amounts of data, so it's crucial that we have strong safeguards in place to protect our personal information.
Right, because the last thing we want is for our AI assistants to turn into Big Brother, constantly monitoring our every move.
Exactly. Privacy and security are paramount as AI becomes more integrated into our lives.
Okay, so let's wrap up with a glimpse into the future. What do you think AI agents will be capable of in 5, 10, 20 years?
It's hard to say for sure, but the possibilities are mind-boggling. Imagine AI agents managing our finances, optimizing our health, personalizing our learning experiences, even curating our entertainment and helping us build meaningful relationships.
It's like having a superpowered personal assistant who knows us better than we know ourselves.
In a way, yes. And the crazy thing is, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. The future of AI is still being written, and it's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity.
That's a powerful thought. So, to our listeners out there, start thinking about what role you want AI to play in your life, because it's coming, whether we're ready for it or not. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI agents. It's a wild ride, and it's only just beginning.
It is.
I mean, it makes you wonder, will our partners get jealous of how capable and personalized these AI agents might become? Something to ponder.
That's an interesting question.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep unlocking the future.
See you next time.